The West Bengal Governor M.K. Narayanan has reacted to the rise of infant deaths in Kolkata, calling it a matter of concern. Mamata Banerjee is silent, but the governor has spoken out.
We need to look at it. I think health and education were the two major issues that the Chief Minister had taken up. So I think on education something is moving. I think health also. But meanwhile, this unfortunate tragedy.
Sir, one more thing.
Sir, do you think some sort of inquiry should be taken as to why so many children are dying, sir?
I mean, much more than the inquiry, we need to ensure that another child does not die. Another person should not die, but definitely a child should not.
That's the reaction coming in from the West Bengal governor. Nikunj on the phone line with us. Nikunj, this comment is not just going to be seen by the governor showing concern about these deaths, but clearly there is a political battle that seems to be now ensuing.
Well, Maruf, yes, clearly if the Chief Minister is silent and if the Governor is speaking on the matter, it clearly shows that the administrative machinery of the government of West Bengal and the centre too is concerned about the entire matter. I would not say that the Chief Minister of West Bengal is not concerned or the Governor is more concerned, but surely this statement being made by the Governor, who is centre's representative in the state of West Bengal, and more importantly, the administrative link between the centre and the state of West Bengal clearly shows that there is a lot of concern in the sense that infant deaths have become a national and international issue by now.
Right.
The Governor clearly giving vent to that feeling more than anything else, Maru.